Alright, I'm about to try to set off this car alarm. It's gone off a few times for me. I don't know if I have enough battery left. I tried to record a few other videos, but I deleted them because there wasn't that much stuff. So right now, I'm going to say hi. Can't really see it, but in which I will bug the shit out of people.
Tell the crew.
Car alarm did go off, and that's pretty sick. That means I'm getting enough vibration to, well, it means two things. I'm getting enough vibration to get pulled over by the police, and I'm getting enough vibration to hit a pretty high sound pressure. Probably, I don't know, 115 would be generous, I think. But I've never even been to a competition yet, so I'm not sure what this truck would really do. I would be in a low class because I only have a 2,200 watt amp and I only have a 12 and it's a single cab truck, so I may be able to compete with this truck, but I could just be blown out my ass. I've never been to a competition, but I'm planning on going to some, and I'm going to try and get sponsored by shit like Crossfire or something like that. Get some when I get a Tahoe, because then I'll be able to fucking create some systems. About to go down to this other place where I know where sensitive car alarm is. But you kind of do need sensitive. I'm gonna go around. I also don't have that window rolled.
Tell the crew.
set off an alarm because I did about 30 minutes of just constant playing. That decreases it probably to about 10 volts because my amp can't keep. It's only a 60. It's a 60. What's it called? 60 amp fuck, alternator. Because it's an old truck. So I'm just about to pull it.